Hi everyone, my name is Damilola Oseni and I am making this video to encourage and motivate anyone that wishes to transition into tech. Yeah, I just completed my training with 10Alytics as a business analyst. I registered with 10Alytics in January this year and I am proud of myself. I can confidently call myself a business analyst. Yes, thanks to 10Alytics and their facilitators. Okay, I registered in January this year, and with the 4 month super drilling courses, I can confidently say, let me say from 0 to 70% now. Yeah. Initially when I started, it was looking like it was not going to be easy. Yeah, of course it wasn't easy because I don't have any prior knowledge into tech. But as time went by, I became really confident going back to the classwork, watching the Watch Me Do videos and everything. We were grouped into subgroups with my amazing group members. I can confidently say I can tackle any business case now, be it anything. Okay, guys, yes, I am not even sugarcoating this. 10Alytics is a very, very amazing training learning center for you guys to register. If you wish to transition any field in tech you wish to transition into, be it cybersecurity, data science, business analysts, whatnot, they have all courses, guys. Do not panic. Do not say because I do not have any prior knowledge. That is why they are there. They are ready to walk you through all the phases. And that was the case for me. I spoke with them and I told them that I do not have any prior knowledge into tech, nothing. And they were amazing. Like, they walked me through. They are very flexible. You can reach out to the facilitators. They are going to take you through the journey. You are not left on your own. They are ready to support you, and even to the extent that they will help you revamp your CV. We have every week drop-in sections, where you can learn different types. In fact, I got more value than the amount I paid. Honestly, they're going to teach you how to set up your portfolio, how to write your CV, your LinkedIn profile, a lot of goodies that I didn't know that I was going to gain when I registered. Honestly, guys, if you are looking to transition into tech, do not think twice. Just go ahead and register with 10Alytics, because right now, Damilola is a BA. She's a business analyst, and thanks to 10Alytics.